Welcome to Wait News. I'm your friend and host Amit Roy. Market is showing different dimensions. It was going up and it has come back a little bit now, but the signs are very positive right now. Though some people are talking about HB1 visa fiasco, but that's not going to hamper the market. That will have a glitch for 1 or 2 days. I'm Amit Roy. Please like me and subscribe my channel and share my channel. I'm from Wins News. Look, why do you buy the stocks? I told you because you want to make money. And if you see last 50 years uh, result, the stock market has given lots and lots of happiness and result. So if you see the ITC stock, my father used to smoke ITC cigarettes, and that man never thought about buying ITC stocks. And that time ITC stock used to be 7 rupees to 30 rupees. The time horizon he was smoking, or 9 rupees to 30 rupees. I don't exactly remember in 70s. So, but he didn't care to know about that. Today, just imagine IT stock, it's not even doing very well, apparently, but we get a lot of dividends. But you see how many times it has given bonus, how many times it has given split. So imagine that price. Hindustan Lever, it's to be very cheap. Even I used to trade Hindustan Lever in my beginning. I made a mistake by trading that. 230 rupees. When see him in my own handbook, I see I used to buy at 130 rupees, selling to 236 rupees, that kind of. I was stupid. I never knew what's the value of retention, what's the value of compounding. I didn't know that. But I had always a knack of keeping shares for a long time. I never, I used to get married with that stock. And there are many, many stocks, good stocks, bad stocks. This is a family. You don't need to know about all the stocks in the stock market. Don't try to know all the stocks about stock market. Learn few, choose few stocks you want to remain all your life. Some stock you buy and sell for trading, not even daily trading. No smart people do daily trading. Don't do daily trading. I mean, every video I'm telling you, don't do daily trading. Trading means you can buy it for 5 6 months. Some of portion, not all your money, but some portion you can buy and sell of that stock, and you can be happy. It gives you a kick. You know, there are formulas in life. Don't if you have 1,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees, don't buy all the money at a time. Don't buy all the stocks at a time. You have some targeted stocks. We all have some targeted stock. We are not buying every stock in the market. So follow those stocks, and you make a triangle shape, or you can call it a pyramid. So in the lower range, you buy more stocks. When it go little upper, you buy a little more stocks, and when you go to the pinnacle, you buy fewer stocks. This is the rule. Don't do the reverse. So that is not a good idea. Similarly, when you sell the stocks, don't sell the stock. It's only for swing trading. I'm telling you, not for investment. Not for investment. When you're selling the stocks, don't sell all your stocks at a time. Slowly, slowly, you sell that. If you have 5 stock, you cannot do like that. Brokers will not allow that. But in general, if you have 100 stocks, you sell 50 stocks, then 25 stocks, again 25 stocks. Don't then you'll have some sort of satisfaction. I don't do that, but that's the general rule. I do. My trading is fraction of my holding, so my is only for pleasure, a little bit of, you know, greasy palm for my own life. Greed, you can call it. So that is for that. But in general, people should do like that. Don't sell all your stocks, and always maintain a stop loss when you are selling and buying. Lesser loss you sustain is good for you, and don't erode your all savings, etc. And secondly, now a lot of people are doing margin trading. That's most dangerous. Because I am not supportive of margin trading. Whatever money you have, you do that. Whatever money you have, you do that. Don't take margin loan from brokers. What happens after that? You have to pay interest for that loan. So if the stock goes up, you make little bit of money. But brokers, when you buy more stock, brokers get more brokerage. So you have to add the brokerage fee. And it goes down, you have to take the burden of that pain, and plus you have to pay the interest. So it's very, very dangerous. There's a golden rule in stock market: never do stock market with borrowed money. Never, 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 never think about that. This is a thing you learn to control your greed. This is the thing you learn to control your greed. This is a very important thing. Control your emotions. It's better to be stoic in stock market instead of very emotional, bubbly person jumping with a one jump and coming down another jump. The stock market has crashed. I am dying. No, this is not happening. This is the nature of the market. You prepare for yourself a balanced mindset. Don't overreact, or even when you need to react, you react. Position yourself like that. When you need to react, only you react. Don't react with every news, every bad news. You need to do that. Don't need to do that. And you delete all your telegram channels giving you a lot of infusing ideas and wrong stock names. Don't buy those, follow those kind of things. Don't buy those kind of things. Follow where FIAs are going. Follow where FIAs are going. Indian mutual funds are going. Follow that. If you don't have the capacity to hold for the way they are doing, you do that. So that's a very good thing. You can have that in calculators, their indicators in Google, etc. So you can find out. And number four is very, very important thing. You must not be carried away. You see, you know, I know everything. That's very, very dangerous. That very market humbles you. Market humbles you very, very effectively. You have no idea how they will humble you. So you must be very humble. Remain. Look, this is why I'm telling you you need humility, because you spend more, you have less money. So control your spending. Control your spending. I know people. I know people. Those who earn 10,000 rupees are spends 12,000 rupees. So and don't talk big, big things. Rich people do not talk big things. I go to an eatery. That man is a very moderate man. He's not a Bengali, he's a Marwadi man. He gives lot of craps. He gives lots of. I believe it's his, you know, inferiority complex, but I don't understand why he needs to tell me all this kind of rubbish. He said he used to hire airplanes to bring his things. Oh, he doesn't need to tell all kind of rubbish. He remains in. He has a fleet. He said he has a fleet of 100 trucks, this kind of thing, and he sells curry and rice. So look how you don't need to tell all this kind of rubbish. You don't need to tell all this kind of rubbish. It shows he's depressed. So similarly, some people I see in YouTube, they are depressed. They said I lost almost 70 lakhs rupees, 1.5 crore rupees. Then I made over 12 crores. First of all, my question would be, why the hell you are lost to 12 crore, to 1.5 crore rupees? What the hell? What's the point being proud of that? You must not take that kind of risk and blabber you can others that you have lost. If you get zero, it's very difficult to come back. Now I'll mention few stocks names. Jeffries has given, not his my I'll not follow my own hunch. I'll tell you what Jeffries has been. Few stocks I am liking it. That is Reliance Industries. You can keep it. Now Saudis and Pakis are doing this kind of thing, and that will impact the stock. It can come down a little bit, and oil embargo on Russia, that will impact Adani stocks. Adani stocks are going higher. So you can keep an eye on Adani stock, though Jeffrey didn't talk about Adani stocks. And another favorite stocks, I would say Bajaj Finance. I like that stock. All finance companies are doing very well. So these are the basic things I say. Look, you keep it for a long time, price will appreciate. Definitely. Plus, you'll get dividend, lots and lots of dividend. That will be a very, very important gift. It's not a gift, it's a right. Companies will give you dividend. As a shareholder, you earn a lot of dividends. So I think it's a very pleasant journey. Plus, you will enjoy the power of compounding. It goes up, and look, that will be very interesting. Don't spend money, take out money, and go to the discos, go to the bar from earning money from stock market. You reinvest that, and buy good stocks. Thank you for patient hearing. Please like me, share me, and please subscribe my channel. Best wishes.